Then check this out.
Revolution brings change. Change is the constant, the only known. Everything else is an unknown variable. The only thing we can be certain of is our reality after the revolution will not be the same as it was before. Life will change in fundamental ways. We will feel it in every aspect of our life. Knowledge and information. Communication. Work. Movement. Energy and power. The ripples of impact used to spread throughout a town or country. Now it's felt throughout the entire world. As our individual capability has grown, so too has our individual impact. As we push our limits, we push Earth's as well. We must become smarter in how we grow.